Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Like Mamta. Today I am making chole bhature. This is a North Indian famous dish. So let us start with the bhature preparation. Put maida into the bowl. Salt to taste. Sugar, curd, fresh curd. Add some oil and also we need some water for the chapati consistency and keep it aside for half an hour to 1 hour. Close the lid and keep it. Yeah, we should mix it with hand only. Now let us make gravy preparation here, chole gravy. So onion, garlic, ginger. Now we'll add tomato and grind it into fine paste. So keep it aside, and now I am making one tea decoction. This is very important in this chole preparation. Here this tea decoction will give very nice authentic hotel style chole taste. So this we have to make this decoction. Here I added tea powder, cinnamon, pepper and cloves and one elaichi, and boil it and keep it aside. So now heat the oil into the pan, add jeera, turmeric powder. Now I am putting all the masalas here. First we have to put masalas one by one and we have to roast them little in the oil. So chili powder, this is jeera and dhania powder, and this gives very good color if we do in this procedure. Now add the paste, tomato and onion paste. Let it cook for almost 5 to 6 minutes till it leaves oil at the sides. So that means our tomato, onion, garlic and ginger, everything cooked properly. See, we can see the oil. This is chole which I soaked overnight. Then I put into the pressure cooker for 5 whistles. This while cooking I put turmeric and a little oil. If you want you can add salt also, but I am adding salt later on. Now this tomato onion is cooked. For this I am putting these choles. I am not putting with the water because sometimes this water may excess. So first I am putting choles, then tea decoction. After that, if we want, we can add that chole boiled water. See our consistency, we can see here. Now I am adding salt. This is amchur powder. Amchur powder gives the tanginess to this chole, and which is like enhances the taste of the chole. So our chole is boiling here. Meantime, I am kneading the dough. Here we should knead the dough at least 8 to 10 minutes so that our bhatures will come very well fluffy. And we need not use maida for rolling the bhature. We have to use oil only. Apply little oil to the roll and also to the belan. And here for frying the bhature, the oil should be very hot, so then only they'll puff properly. And the tip is here, once you put the bhature into the oil, it starts like bubbling, small bubbles. Then turn it, flip it other side. Then again put little hot oil on that so that they'll puff properly. See how I am putting oil on that, and you can see the bhature is puffing. Our chole is ready and bhatura is also ready. So let us plate it. We can make 10 to 15 bhaturas in the whatever measurement I have taken in that proportion. You can add according to your number of people and all. Our chole bhature is ready. I hope you all like this recipe and you will try it. If you want to cook like Mamta, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.